Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a topic that's been buzzing everywhere. Remember when kale smoothies were all the rage? They were the go-to for anyone looking to boost their health. Now, it's lemon water taking center stage. And it's not just a fleeting trend. But is this citrusy drink just another health fad? Or is there something truly magical about starting your day with a glass of H2O with a twist? Let's explore. Let me tell you, there's a reason lemon water is making a splash. It's not just a refreshing way to wake up your taste buds, it's a simple yet powerful addition to your morning routine. It's packed with health benefits that can boost your well-being from the inside out. From aiding digestion to providing a vitamin C boost, the benefits are numerous. So, before you squeeze that lemon into your next batch of lemonade, stick around. There's so much more to discover. We're about to dive deep into the world of lemon water and uncover why it might just be the ultimate morning drink. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Get ready to learn and maybe even add a little zest to your life. Stay tuned for some surprising insights and tips.
Let's talk about digestion, folks. It's something we all deal with daily, yet often overlook until there's a problem. It's not the most glamorous topic, but it's crucial for overall health. Poor digestion can lead to discomfort, bloating, and even more serious health issues if left unchecked. And guess what? Lemon water can give your gut a helping hand. This simple, refreshing drink can be a game changer for your digestive health. Lemons are a natural source of citric acid, which aids in digestion by stimulating the production of stomach acid. This helps break down food more efficiently, reducing bloating and indigestion. Imagine enjoying your meals without the worry of discomfort afterward. Think of it like this. Lemon juice is like a friendly wake-up call for your digestive system, gently nudging it into action after a long night's rest. Starting your day with lemon water can set a positive tone for your digestive health. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that drinking lemon juice daily improved symptoms of indigestion in people with functional dyspepsia. This scientific backing adds credibility to the age-old remedy. So, if you're prone to tummy troubles, a glass of lemon water in the morning might be just what the doctor ordered. It's a simple, natural way to support your digestive health and start your day off right.
Want radiant, glowing skin? Look no further than your kitchen. Lemon water isn't just good for your insides, it can do wonders for your complexion too. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are like little troublemakers that can lead to wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. But vitamin C swoops in like a superhero, neutralizing those free radicals and keeping your skin looking youthful and vibrant. It also plays a vital role in collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. So, ditch those expensive creams and serums for a moment and try incorporating lemon water into your daily routine. Your skin will thank you for it.
We all know staying hydrated is essential, but plain water can get a little boring, right? That's where lemon water comes in. It's a delicious and refreshing way to up your water intake and keep your body properly hydrated. When you're dehydrated, you might experience fatigue, headaches, and even difficulty concentrating. Lemon water helps replenish your fluids, keeping those pesky dehydration symptoms at bay. Plus, the citrusy flavor of lemon can make drinking water more enjoyable, encouraging you to sip throughout the day. And the more you enjoy what you're drinking, the more likely you are to stay hydrated.
Weight loss wonder? Lemon water and your waistline. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Can lemon water really help you shed those extra pounds? While it's not a magic weight loss potion, wouldn't that be nice? Lemon water can play a supporting role in your weight loss journey. Lemon water is naturally low in calories and can help promote feelings of fullness, preventing overeating. Some studies suggest that the citric acid in lemons might even boost metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. But remember, folks, lemon water is not a substitute for a healthy diet and regular exercise. It's all about balance. Think of lemon water as a refreshing sidekick to your overall weight loss plan.
Lemon water recipe, your guide to a refreshing start. Ready to give lemon water a try? It's incredibly easy to make. Here's your step-by-step guide to the perfect glass of zesty goodness. 1. Start with a clean glass and fill it with lukewarm or cold water, about 8 to 10 ounces. 2. Take half a lemon and squeeze the juice into the water. 3. You can add a few slices of lemon to the glass for extra flavor and visual appeal. 4. If you're feeling adventurous, try adding a few mint leaves or a slice of ginger for an extra kick. That's it! You've got yourself a refreshing glass of lemon water ready to jumpstart your day. Who should join the lemon water club and who should skip it? Lemon water is generally safe for most people to enjoy, but as with anything, there are a few exceptions. If you have a citrus allergy, it goes without saying that lemon water is a no-go. And if you have sensitive teeth or a history of heartburn, the citric acid in lemons might aggravate your symptoms. Pregnant women and young children should also consult with their healthcare providers before adding lemon water to their diet just to be on the safe side. Remember, moderation is key. While a glass or two of lemon water a day is perfectly healthy, overdoing it might lead to enamel erosion or heartburn.
The final squeeze, your key to a zesty morning. So, there you have it. The secret to starting your day with a burst of energy and zest. Lemon water isn't just a trendy drink. It's a lifestyle choice that can transform your mornings. It's a simple yet powerful way to boost your health and well-being. From aiding digestion to enhancing skin health and promoting hydration, lemon water has got you covered. This citrusy beverage offers a wide array of benefits that can make a real difference in your daily life. While it's not a magic cure-all, sorry to burst your bubble, it certainly adds a refreshing twist to your routine. Incorporating lemon water into your daily routine can be a refreshing and flavorful way to support your overall health goals. It's easy, it's quick, and it's delicious. Remember, life is too short for boring drinks. Spice it up with some lemony goodness. So grab a lemon, squeeze, sip, and enjoy the zesty goodness. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it. Feel the difference with every sip. And hey, if life gives you lemons, make lemon water, right? It's the perfect way to turn a sour situation into something sweet. Keep it healthy and exciting, everyone. Cheers to a zesty morning and a vibrant day ahead.